Literally.
And we forged food for the cat.
Yes, we forged some food. And there's our dog up ahead.
8 strands of asparagus.
What's that hat about? How does the hat come into play?
That's her nurse's cat.
Where's my nurse's cap? And I'm stuck.
Got a bog there.
I need to clean.
I'm really stuck. Yeah, sorry.
Oh, are you missing a wheel?
No, I can't move.
Could you guys come on? Stop just messing around.
I think someone needs to pick up the front of the wheelchair.
You could just get up and do it.